Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Conair Ultimate Trim Precision All-in-One Metal Groomer with interchangeable magnetic attachments. You can see easy to use, interchangeable magnetic attachments. You've got 4-hour runtime. It is waterproof, Japanese stainless steel blades, trim, face, hair, and body. Ergonomic metal grip handle. A couple of other features on the box: precision beard and mustache trimmer, separately a haircut and body trimmer. Then you also have a detachable foil trimmer, and then you have a nose and ear hair trimmer. Just jumping over to the other side, these are magnetic attachments, so easy on, easy off, easy to swap them. And it does have an LED charging indicator built into the handle. You can use these on face, your body, your head. Basically, this is an all-in-one 18-piece groomer. Again, Japanese stainless steel blades, face and body guide combs. You get 6-position stubble comb, 2-position eyebrow comb, 2 body combs, 3 hair combs, and 4 beard combs. You got the magnetic heads. It is a lithium-ion rechargeable battery, rapid charging system, 3-hour fast charge for 4 hours of use, or a 20-minute quick charge for 40 minutes of use. Durable metal handle, digital battery indicator, and it is waterproof, so you can use this wet or dry either way. So let's open it up and take a look at everything that comes inside the box. Off to the side. And here you go. You've got your instructions, of course. You've got your 1, 2, 3, 4 heads right there. You can see those. All nice, shiny silver. They're not actually metal, they're plastic, but they're painted silver. So yeah, you've got your shaver, you've got your nose and ear trimmer, and then you've got your one of these is for beard and mustache, and the other or body and hair. Have to read instructions to see exactly which one is for which, but that's the heads there. Let's pull this out. This is that nice, it's weighted very nicely. You've got your on-off switch down here. You can see you've got your LED indicator, battery indicator there, and again, I'll have to read the instructions to find out exactly how. Okay, comes off pretty easy. Yeah, it is just magnetic, so just kind of snaps down on there, snaps off, really easy. So that's there. And let's see what else comes in the box here. I'm gonna open it up, and there you go. You've got this nice cool stand for everything. So your shaver will sit in there like that. Nice for charging. And then your other heads can go on here. And then this will plug in somewhere. There you go. Plug in right there. It's where this plugs in to be able to charge it. So you've got that. You've got your cord, your power cord, as well as your charger to plug it in and keep it all charged up. And then you've got all those different level shavers, the adjustable for the eyebrow, for the body. Oh, here's the one that's got like a little adjustable thing on it there to change it. And then there's this one, which also has an adjustable thing. One of those is going to be, I'm going to guess, this one's for the eyebrow because it's smaller. It's my guess. And this would be the other adjustable one. There you go. You can see how you can adjust that by sliding that over. And then you have, they're all color coded, so it'd be easy to know what goes with what once you read the instructions, because they are color coded, so you can keep them straight and use them for the correct thing. But yeah, that's what comes in the box. You get those, you get your 3 different heads there, you get your shaver with that head, and you get your really cool stand and charging system. Anyway, that is everything that comes in the box. That's going to be it for the unboxing. If you like this video, please click that like button. If you want to learn more, stay tuned for a full demo review video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist. You can keep up with all my product reviews. If you have any questions, post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.